Highest time for trucks this morning. I'm above the M5 near Cullumpton. Let's see what trucks we can spot. Way. I like a Dunbro Scania. It's that white one with a low loader on the back. Very smart. Let's see if we can get this. Yes. Woo! Look at that come down here with those Michelin men on it. We like that a lot. It's not even Michelin men. Acer. Yeah. Oh, it's an M-way there. Nerve way. Yes. Woohoo! Early morning tones. Cheeky. I think it might even be the Great Bear. It is, yes! It was the Great Bear. Great news. That is an amazing spot. That's a David Watson there. Look at that! That was very smart to see in the morning. That was a nice truck. What exciting things are you carrying? Oh, it's a 2-laner as well. I do like a big load. Insight Trans Logistics. Woohoo! Look at this blue Scania, that's smart. Haulage UK. Again, don't think I've seen that one before. All the way there. See if we can get a nice picture of that. MJG Bulk Services. I don't know if I've seen one of them before. Lane. That's going to prove hard for a picture, but hey, we'll try it. We'll try it. It's a nice looking truck. Check it out. Looks smart. I think I got a picture of it. This sort of direction, so I'm going to get a picture of that. First lane coming your way now. Let me stand up and get a picture. Yes, the tones. Nice, we'll have that. There is a very smart truck coming your way actually. That Scania behind this Iveco looks very nice. Let me get a picture of that. Developments. Okay, cool. It's an MLC truck. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice Volvo, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Getting a picture of this log carrier with a bull bar on though, that's cool. 750 FH. Nice. That looked cool. Nice. UK, yes mate, UK. Oh, tones! Rusty! That yellow Mercedes does look smart. What has that got on the back? It's got diggers on it. It looks nice. Let's get a picture. Oh, it's a Brit European. Yeah, some JCB telehandlers on the back. Awesome. Oh, it's a chipmunk. Awesome. Oh, look at this in the middle lane coming down. That is beautiful. Get out of the way, van. Is that a Wagner? That is a Wagner. Look at that. That looked very nice. Look at that Iveco there. It's got a bull bar on it. You don't see that often, do you? Ah! Yes! Oh, look, there she is. Charmaine.